In this video, we are learning about fractions and how to simplify them. Fractions represent parts of a whole number, like 1/2 or 3/4. They are written with the numerator on top and a denominator at the bottom. For example, if a pizza is divided into 4 parts and someone gets 3 of them, they have 3/4 or 3/4 of the pizza, while 1/4 remains. The numerator indicates how many parts you have, while the denominator shows how many parts make up the whole. Simplifying a fraction means reducing the numerator and denominator to their smallest possible values by dividing them by the same number. For instance, in 12/18, both numbers can be divided by 6, giving 2/3 as the simplified fraction. If you didn't know 6 was a common factor, you could first divide by 2 to get 6/9, then divide by 3 to get 2/3. The key is to keep dividing until the numbers cannot be reduced further. It's crucial to divide both the numerator and denominator by the same number to maintain the fraction's value. For example, dividing both by 2 gives 6/9, and dividing again by 3 gives 2/3. This means all these fractions are equivalent. If we visualize them as rings, 12/18 represents a ring divided into 18 sections, with 12 shaded. 6/9 means the ring is split into 9 sections, with 6 shaded. 2/3 means it's split into 3 sections, with 2 shaded. Despite different divisions, the shaded area remains the same, proving these fractions are equal. Now, let's simplify 2 fractions. The first, 4/12, can be quickly simplified by dividing both numbers by 4, resulting in 1/3. Alternatively, dividing by 2 first gives 2/6, then dividing by 2 again results in 1/3. Either way, the final answer remains 1/3. In the second example, 20/25 can only be divided by 5, giving the simplified fraction 4/5, or 4/5. That concludes this video. Hope it was useful.